A quick 360 on the shack. There is the 4 regenerative TRF World War II HF receivers, the TDE shipboard transmitter, both medium frequency and HF. There's 1,100 pounds of radio right there. Runs on 223 phase. And then the T368, capable of 2 kW PEP AM, 1000 watt CW, the SCR 274N, aka ARC5, but that's a complete B17 package. Every accessory, shock mount, everything. And pilot's remotes, the works. Another gear from when I was in the Navy. We still had the R390s, the ART-13, World War II vintage, of course, and then the BC-375, BC-348. Right now, it's got the medium frequency plug-in. 4CX 250B homebrew amp. PRC 174 Israeli radio, and my homemade remoteable VFO for that, and the little MCHF, the transverter that I usually use for CW on 630, and the Hermes Light, little SDR rig that I use for Whisper and FST4, GRC9, Korean War era, and BC654, World War II, and everything works. Good chance to try it out a lot during the week on our military nets. All right, there's the quick shack tour.